POL, performanceonline.com. We're at Quarantine Cruise 8. We're in Huntington Beach. There's about 2,000 kick-ass classic cars, give or take. You meet up, you pop your hood, you check out each other's cars, then you go cruise down PCH, hit the beach for a bit, you end up here, meet some new friends, check out some new cars. Let's go look at some cars.
1955, all original.
Hey, my name is Memo. I'm from APS Muscle Cars. I'm here today in my 1972 Chevy Nova. Under the hood, we have a LS2 making 500 horsepower with trimming 6-speed. I've redone everything. Took the car totally apart and restructured it. It's invigorating to see all these vehicles out here with all the horsepower and all the classic vintage muscle cars.
My name is Beau Casper Smart, and I'm driving a Lincoln Continental 1966. I thought it was unique and different, and not a lot of people had them. You don't see them very often. It's a cruiser, it's comfortable. I love the convertible aspect of it. It's just a big boat, man. I have a good time. It's the most amazing cars here.
We're here at Quarantine Cruise number 8 here in Huntington Beach. Thousands of beautiful and colorful cars. It was organized by this young gentleman. What was your favorite car?
The black one.
We got that one, perfect.
Hi, my name is Eric Gutierrez. It's Long Beach Gearhead. I'm driving my daily driver, which is the 1986 Crew Cab Dooley. Growing up, my dad had a brand new one in 1989. He used to let me drive it on the street when we go to Mexico. As an 8-year-old, I was driving around in a Crew Cab Dooley like this everywhere, and I've always wanted one, but I wanted a lowered one with a sleeper cab in the wing. Here we go, 30-some years later, I was able to make it happen. I'm running a full Western chassis, 6'8" drop, and it's got the spindle, the coil springs, C-notch in the rear, new leaf springs in the back. It rides like a dream. For being this low and a static drop, she rides really, really nice, really smooth. I have a LQ9 out of a 2006 Escalade, bone stock with an NV 4500 5-speed manual. I drive her every day, everywhere.
What's up, Memo? Good to see you, doggy.
That's a wrap, as they say. We're here at the Newland Center, Regency Center. We're gonna make some tailgate micheladas. Do you have anything to stir this bad boy? Just use it, Jason, grab the good stick.
How'd you do?
Oh, that's the business right there.
After a long cruise, that michelada is it.
Thank you for shopping with POL at performanceonline.com. Subscribe to our channel for more how-tos, featured customer rides, event coverage, and more. That's POL at performanceonline.com.